Hi, today's video is about the coffee canister by ShanSon. Thank you ShanSon for sending over these 3 units to us to test out to provide an in-depth description and usage guide, and with no strings attached or demands from them. For those who do not know the purpose of the canister, it is a storage for all perishable food like coffee beans, tea leaves, cereals, and so on. These canisters are airtight and have a one-way valve to lock in freshness and to keep out moisture and air. Recommended for freshly roasted coffee beans. Just to be clear, it will not extend the shelf life though. Now that we have an idea about the function of the canister, let us start with the unboxing. They have 3 available sizes: 1.8 litre, 1.5 litre, and 1.2 litre. Available in various colors. I will touch more on the colors later. Let us start with the unboxing now. A user manual. The canister. Inside there is a stainless steel spoon or scoop. Three spare one-way valves and 3 silicone sealing valves. The body is made of high quality 304 stainless steel opaque to block out light, which is good for light sensitive dry goods like coffee beans. On the right side there's a scoop hanging holder. The lid is made of ABS plastic with simple day and month dials that let you monitor when the canister was last filled. A silicone gasket around the edge of the lid ensures an airtight seal when the lid is closed. This one-way valve is Swiss-made and can be removed. To switch from exhaust mode to seal mode, push out the one-way valve. Once both the one-way valve and the month recording disc are out, close the lid and fasten the clamps. Insert and press the silicone sealing valve with the smaller diameter facing downwards. Next, install the disc and press it down till you hear a click sound. Complete. Please remember that the white mesh of the one-way valve is facing down when you switch back to exhaust mode. Before you start hand washing the canister, remove the one-way valve. Do not soak or rinse the canister, and the lid is not washable. Wipe it dry with your cloth as soon as possible. The canister is not dishwasher safe. The canisters come in pink, purple, black, beige, and white with color matching lids. For other colored canisters, the lids are available in either black or beige based on the jar's color tone. So to say, dark colored and silver canisters, black lids. Light colored canisters, beige lids. Now comes the end of our video. What do you think of these price-friendly canisters? Which colors catch your eyes? That is all for this video. Hopefully you find our video informative and useful. We hope to see you in our next video. Take care. Have a great storage day.